Okay, so tell me if this sounds familiar. You bought a bike because you thought they were cool, but you didn't realise they take more work than your psycho girlfriend. And then this happens.
Stressed out, you need a chair. Talk about your man, I do not care. Wanna let loose, let's go there. Palm on your ass, head full of your hair.
This is the result of neglecting your bike. I had no idea. I thought the Scott oiler would do all the work. Okay, so as you can see, it's pretty rusty. I'm not proud of it, but it is what it is. And it was only when I came to clean it last time I exposed all that rust. So yeah, now the job is to get rid of that and get it looking normal and not like it's gonna fail at any moment. Let's just get to it. Look at that. It's a dead wasp.
Bye, have a great time.
Hope you're sitting comfortably because for the next, I don't know how long, I'm gonna be cleaning this chain. So, what we're gonna do is test how good this stuff is. Everyone in groups and whatever, and it's like, oh yeah, WD40, WD40, WD40. So, gonna see what it can do. But before we do that, step one. Get whatever rag you've got and we're gonna clean the shit off of the chain. Right, so I'm gonna put gloves on. My hands get wrecked, so gonna try to preserve them a bit. Let's just get started. Let's see which part this is. And something you shouldn't do is turn the engine on and have the wheel rotate. That's how you lose fingers. Yeah, black. So that's all the dirt and oil that was stuck in my chain, that's now off. Okay, so now for the good stuff. I'm gonna spray this all over. I'm gonna leave it, I don't know, 10-15 minutes or whatever, maybe longer. And then we'll wipe it off and see what's good. That's probably a good amount, right? Camera's covered in WD-40 spray, but I'm just gonna spin it, make sure it gets all up in there. Trying to loosen up some of the inside stuff. I don't know if it's rusted inside, but spin it anyway. Okay, so now I guess we'll wait.
One eternity later.
Okay, so I actually ended up leaving it, what, 20 minutes? Because I mean, it was bad. Now what I'm going to do is, I've got some wire wool. Just because of how bad it is, a little something to aggravate the rust. Hopefully take it off. What the hell is this stuff, man? How do you break this? What the hell? Right, so basically at this point in the video, I've realised this camera angle is just shit. It just is. So I'm gonna have to do an audio description, and I thought I'll try and make it look a bit nice. I'll draw something for you. So this is what I came up with, but it took a whole day. So you're not gonna get that. Instead, you're actually gonna get stickmen and lines. So here we go. Here's the chain. And basically, what I did was I got the steel wheel. Went at the face of the chain, each individual link, one at a time. Took about 30 seconds to a minute for each one. Basically just going back and forth on the link, up and down, just until all the ginger had gone pretty much. Once you get the technique going, you just start a rhythm. You manage the whole chain, you do both sides. The back side's a bit harder, you have to reach through the rim at the back to see what you're doing, but if you're patient enough, you'll get it done, it'll look good, I promise you. Just make sure you wash off the chain afterwards. You've got all that WD-40 and steel wool fibres everywhere. You just the bike was covered at the back, so just make sure you spray it off, re-lubricate the chain with whatever you've got. But yeah, let's just have a look at the results, see what I got. Okay, so here we have it. It's the next day, it's been raining, but the bike was finished yesterday. I just didn't finish off the video. As you can see, the chain is looking very, very clean. Much better than it was beforehand. I think I'd say about 95% of the rust is now gone. The only thing is, if it focuses, the links themselves are a bit speckly. I'm not sure what that is, but I think that's more permanent than just the rust itself. So all in all, not too bothered about that. The main thing was just to get rid of the rust, and now that's gone, all good. So basically, when doing the process, I know in the video you couldn't really tell what I was doing. I had sprayed on WD40 all over, left it for 20 minutes, and then came with a section of steel wool and was scrubbing individual plates at a time, working my way around the whole chain. I did the inside of the cog here as well, did the back side, but to do that I was sticking my hand through here and trying my best. It was quite difficult, but if you've got the time, definitely go ahead and do both sides. It took me about 2.5 hours, but in the end it is worth it. The top tip is don't let it get that bad. It won't take you that long if you do it more often. I'd say this method works pretty well. Give it a shot, let me know how you get on. If you're just like me and have let your bike get to a really bad stage, then this will be for you, because it's definitely worked for me. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like. If you feel like it, subscribe, check out my other videos. If you like memes, there's plenty there. But yeah, I think that's that for this particular video. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace. Okay, so tell me if this sounds familiar. You bought a bike because you thought they were cool, but you didn't realise that they